been way too long. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're making this shrimp udon. Let's jump right in. I boiled these udon noodles. They're the frozen kind. I got them from H Mart. Now I'm only going to show you guys how to cut up these carrots because I was making matchsticks of them. You could also buy matchstick carrots, but I just had a really big carrot, so I went ahead and sliced those up into those big pieces, and then I'm going to go ahead and just flip them over and cut them on the sides as well so that they come out like so. Now this is probably the only time you'll see me take the tail off a shrimp because tail on shrimp superiority, but in this udon noodles we're just going to go ahead and take those off. So those are my dirty shrimp. I'm adding some lime and some water. Going to go ahead and clean those and cut the tops open. I'm adding some oyster sauce and a little white pepper, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside. I don't want to add too much seasoning because most of our seasoning for this dish is going to come from our sauce. Now here are my veggies. I'm going to go ahead and saute the carrot and the onion just because they take a little longer. And I'm going to leave the spring onion or the scallion to the side as well as the garlic because that will burn. So I'm sauteing them up until they are cooked a little, maybe 2 minutes or so. I'm going to go ahead and put my sauce together. I started out with some oyster sauce. I added some dark soy, some regular soy. I added a little fish sauce, some crushed red peppers. You can leave those out if you don't like spice. I added some white pepper there I did off camera, and that was some Gochugaru paste, red pepper paste, a little sugar. That's my secret ingredient. You don't have to add that. If you know, you know. And then that is a little teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm mixing that all together. I'll list these ingredients down below. And then we're going to go ahead back to our skillet or our wok. So I'm now adding in that garlic and those green onions, just giving that a little mix. I'm going to push that all to the side because I want to give my shrimp a place to go ahead and start cooking. Now, I'm not going to cook the shrimp all the way. I'm going to cook it about, let's say, 90% of the way. And then I'm going to take that out of the pan because it'll get a little bit more chance to cook in the sauce, which I'm adding my sauce directly to that pan. As it thickens, I'm going to go ahead and add those things back. And I'm going to add my udon noodles. I'm tossing that all up. Now, I was tossing this up and I felt like it needed a little bit more color. So I went ahead and just added a little bit more dark soy sauce to this. I couldn't mix this up on camera because I was being a lazy girl and didn't want to move the tripod again. So I only had one hand. So there's me adding the dark soy. I'm going to mix this up. And guys, here is our finished product. Spicy udon noodles. You do not have to add the spice if you would like to. Thank you guys for watching. And of course, I hope to see you back soon. Bye.